Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be talking about Harambe Token .ai. I mean the new Harambe token that is getting dropped soon, July 16th. So I'll be talking about the different features, the different actions that you could be doing on the website and as a holder of this token. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Of course, all the resources and link used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out too. Have a good video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on the official website of harambetoken.ai, the new meme coin, strong meme, not really beaten up to death like the other meme coins, Doge, Pepe, or many other more. So this token is going to be dropping actually on the 16th July. Here is the X announcement about it. I will be putting all the links in the description below so you can follow up with the video. As you can see here, Harambe AI Token launches news. Our token launch is set for July 16th. Mark your calendars because claiming begins July 23rd, and get ready to join us on the incredible journey. Of course, a huge excitement from the people because this coin is actually really interesting. And in this video, actually, we're going to be talking how interesting this coin is. So basically, first of all, what is special about Harambe token is that you can be earning money passively, and this is by the autopilot by simply holding the Harambe AI token. So first of all, they have a buyback and burn system. Now, the second of all, they have the 16th decentralized hedge fund and 50% more profitable than the market. Of course, here they have a giveaway. I hope you already joined it. There is a pre-sale that was going on, and now the pre-sale is completed. But you could be joining for the AI Harambe airdrop. And it's basically a giveaway for $20,000. So, of course, if you just want to understand a little bit more about the Harambe token, so these are the 3 steps to unlock passive wealth. And basically, as a Harambe holder, the AI will be doing everything from executing strategic trades and seizing market opportunities and many other more. And these are the steps. So the first step is going to be buying, taking advantage of the pre-sale because it starts at $0.05. and it increases every 48 hours. So imagine the hype after, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months. Imagine the hype that people will be seeing it at $1 and even more. And people will be just like thinking about buying every time. And they will be thinking, okay, should I buy now? Is it too early? Is it already too late? And people already like claimed it, but it's never late with Harambe token. And then you just need to hold them, sit back and relax. And the AI-driven bots will be buying back and burns the Harambe AI token from the market, which decreases the number of Harambe tokens around the world, which makes it even more expensive. And the third step, which is the most interesting one, is earning. Actually, your profit consistently growing with a minimal effort and a substantial 100% APY gains to your portfolio. So this is a small description on what is Harambe in details, what should you do, what are the features that are available on the site. Like I told you, one Harambe AI is actually worth $1 USD, American dollar. And these are the tokenomics for the coin. So 690 million total token, no tax, no team tokens. Marketing and community engagement is getting actually 34.5 million. The CEX listings are getting 69 million. Bird on mint, it's 103.5 million. Pre-sale, 207 million. And the DAX listing is 276 million Harambe tokens. So here's also the roadmap. And as you can see here, we are now in this spot right here. And these are like the steps that are like actually going. And we're launching with the phase 2. After we finish the phase 1, which is the pre-sale launch. Of course, it's coming also that Harambe is going to be getting listed on Uniswap and of course in Twitter, so you can see when it's happening, because when it's happening, then obviously the coin will be reaching more people and the accessibility is getting higher, so obviously the coin will be going up. And as you can see here, they have 4 phases. The phase 1 is nearly finished, going to the phase 2, which is KuCoin and Gate listings. And then some marketing expansion with launching a $5 million marketing campaign and integrating stocks into Harambe AI. And obviously the phase 4 is listing Harambe on Binance and Coinbase and adding additional token utilities. And that's going to be like updated every single month and every single quarter. from the Harambe Token AI team. Of course, here are some reviews or some, let's say, blogs that talked about the Harambe token, from Blockonomy to Coin Journal to Finbold and many other more. And if you want to read about these, or these are the social posts that are talking now about Harambe, it's actually pretty viral on social media. You need to be checking it out. And they also have a lot of socials, so you can be also checking out. Of course, here the frequently asked question section, so you can be, if you have any questions, for example, why should I buy in the pre-sale? Why is Harambe unique in the crypto space? Many other questions. Of course, the Harambe token has a Telegram account, an X account, a CoinMarketCap, which we could be checking now. And as you can see here, everything is set up. They are just launching soon, so everything will be just visible on the CoinMarketCap account. More news updates on the way, stay tuned. And they also have, of course, the Skynet, and they have the mining also feature, which you could be checking too. So here there's like liquidity mining program, and you just need to be connecting your wallet, and then you will be getting all the informations about how to do the liquidity mining program. One more thing that I want to talk about the Harambe token is that the community is actually growing a lot, and it's getting more than 10,000 investors, and all the pre-sale tokens are actually locked in, like no sell pressure on all the listing. And of course, the AI hedge fund allows everyone to be a part of the hedge fund. I mean, like, not just limited to high net worth individuals like traditional funds. And this is what we've seen with a lot of other projects out there. But with Harambe token, it's actually pretty different. And the profits from the AI hedge fund will be used to buy back tokens and burn. So everything is inside of the system, buying back and burning the tokens will be actually a healthy, let's say, progression to this coin. Will getting more and more community, and with getting more and more hype, then obviously it's gonna be like going up. So you better be joining this project as soon as possible and reading more about it. I mean, they have a lot of socials, so you can be checking those. And yeah. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about Harambe token. So I hope you got a little bit interested about the project and you want to read more about it, because all the links and resources will be in the description below. Of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, or of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. Then I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Now, I wish you a very good day. Bye-bye.